This video, I wanted to show you guys some interesting stats as far as volume in some of the more emerging markets and Bitcoin. I think you'll find it very interesting. It kind of plays into this whole, accumulation thing that's going on and how Bitcoin being accumulated around the globe is increasing. So we're going to take a look at some charts and take a look at how this plays into the bigger picture with Bitcoin. All right, let's dive into this video and check that out.
Trade Genius.
Guys, real quick before we dive into it, just sharing with you guys what we do in the room. Here's another crypto trade that we took on Waves BTC. Got in nice 9.5% gain. Got some other ones going on too as well. So, and we've been firing off a lot of binary option trades as well. And so I encourage you guys to join us in the room. Check out tradelikeagenius.com if you want to get in there with us. All right, guys. So what we're looking at as far as volume goes around the world. This is from CoinDance. So one thing I wanted to show you guys was this is the local Bitcoins volume chart. So this is where people go to local Bitcoins, coordinate a buy from a local seller, and they can buy with cash and stuff like that. So obviously we had a big spike up during the 2017 run, but what you're going to find is on some of these, especially like South American countries, we're starting to see moves that continue to go up in volume, right? So here's Argentina, for example, just steadily increasing. If we scroll down, we'll see Chile steadily increasing, Colombia steadily increasing, pretty steady growth in the Dominican Republic even. Now some of these countries have had just big spikes during the boom, but Kazakhstan, the average volume is going up. Look at Kenya, steady volume, steady average going up. Mexico, steady average going up. Nigeria's had a pretty decent rise and hasn't really fallen off too much. A little decline there, but very steady. Peru, look at that. Russia's pretty strong. And notice, remember what they were talking about, starting to get into reserve assets with that. Thailand, we're seeing a resurgence here after that boom in 2017. Ukraine, average is moving up. So guys, look at Venezuela, huge spike, just skewed the charts heavy. So guys, basically, what this is playing into is the global acceptance is growing, the global awareness of Bitcoin is growing. And this is not a lot of the globe, right? This is not a huge percentage of the global population yet. So, keep that in mind as you're positioning. Again, we're getting close to that sweet spot before the halving on Bitcoin. And we've had our large 80+% decline. So those are historically all the things that we want to see lining up as we position long-term for the next cycle up. So anyway, things to keep in mind, guys, with Bitcoin. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And it's good to keep awareness of all the macro signals that are going on with Bitcoin, because these are the areas where Bitcoin makes its huge percentage gains from, right? So over the course of the next 12 to 24 months would be the horizon on that. And so just a reminder to get positioned. And in the meantime, there's a lot of swing trades and things like that to be to help grow that stash. But for your long-term portfolio, these are the times that are very profitable. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.